Have you ever left the salon or the barber shop feeling like little hairs have gone under your neck and it's itching all day long? I know you had. Most all of us have had that experience. Let me take your service to the next level. Let's solve that problem for the rest of your life. And don't forget to stay to the end for my 2 bonus extra tips. Hi, my name is Angel Del Solar. On this channel, I like to share with you, my friends from the beauty industry, inspirational, insightful, and practical tools to help you achieve your dreams within the beauty industry. The art of proper draping is something that I learned on the first 1821 man-made training for educators. I challenged the team to come up with some great suggestions on how to elevate the men's grooming experience as they were sitting on our chairs. My friend David St. John's from Federal Way on the state of Washington shared with us his secret sauce and best practices. David, take over.
Hello, I'm David St. John, and welcome to Jets Fine Grooming Community. Today I'd like to share with you why we drape away from the crate. First of all, our cutting cage is actually draped on the chair, very purposely, with the actual nape area exposed. We'll come through, open up the cutting plate. As our guest sits down, we'll go ahead and drape across our guest, as opposed to coming across, and I see a lot of service providers that will come from behind, unintentionally hit the guest's head, which is not a great experience for our guests, nor does it look professional looking. That's the reason why we actually come through, again, across. It looks much more professional, and it's a better experience for our guests.
This is how you apply the PST towel. To best use the PST towel, you will fold a half of the towel inside of the nape. Then from the pleat on the bottom, you fold it up, creating a collar like a shirt. Wrap around the neck like you folding a scarf. David is like a magician. Watch those hands. This will guarantee that you don't get any hair under your nape. Smooth. That was amazing. Thank you very much, David. If you got some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new future videos. For all of you guys that are still here with me, here are my 2 bonus tips. Tip number 1. For tip number 1, let me show you how I use the PST towel to clean up the nape after I shave it with 1821 Glide. After you are done with the haircut and you plan on shave the nape, you open the cape and put it on the last button. Then pull out the PST towel out of the nape and leave it on top of the shoulders. It will serve as a protector. Today I'll be using Glide from 1821. I love this product. It's transparent so I can see very clearly the area that I want to shave, and I can create a very precise lines. Glide works great for any shaving, including neck shavings, sideburns, edging the beards, and even full beards. If you haven't never tried it, give it a try. You're going to love it. If you're interested in knowing more about Glide, check out my video on YouTube reviewing 1821 Glide. The great thing about having the PST towel over the shoulders right now is that I can use it to clean up my blade. When you're done with the shaving on the nape, you can use the same PST towel to clean up the area. How fantastic is this? Love it. Now for tip number 2, you just saw me using a straight razor. Now if you're a cosmetologist, you cannot use a straight razor, but you can give your clients the same feel and experience by using a blade with a guard. If you are interested in any of the tools that I use on this video, I will leave some links on the description on the bottom. I am very interested in any other suggestions you might have or tips on how to elevate the guest experience. So if you have any of those, please leave it on the comment section. This is Angel del Solar, making sure your clients don't itch on the back anymore.